Use pantry-safe baits and barrier methods to remove ants without toxic commercial sprays. Start by identifying trails and entry points. Then use food-grade baits placed away from food prep areas to lure ants. For a simple bait mix, finely crush plain crackers and mix with a teaspoon of honey until paste-like. Then place small drops on a piece of wax paper near the trail. Ants will carry the food back to the colony so the effect reaches more individuals. Cinnamon works as both a repellent and a mild bait when combined with a little sugar. Sprinkle a cinnamon and powdered sugar blend along thresholds and around windowsills to disrupt pheromone paths and discourage re-entry. For a more potent colony targeting option, create a borax with sugar solution by dissolving 1 tablespoon of borax in 1 cup of warm water with 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. Then soak cotton balls or small paper squares and set them well away from kitchens and child play areas. Borax is low toxicity to humans in small amounts, but effective against ants when taken back to the nest. Maintain cleanliness by wiping counters with a vinegar and water solution to remove pheromone scent trails and store food in sealed containers to reduce attraction. Seal cracks with silicone caulk and install door sweeps so prevention reduces the need for repeated treatments. 3 common mistakes are using baits directly on counters where food is prepared, which risks contamination and reduces bait uptake because competing food is available, so move baits to basins, garages, or along baseboards away from food surfaces. Another error is applying strong repellents before baiting, which disperses the foraging ants and prevents them from finding the bait, so always bait first and use repellents only after the bait has been effective. A final issue is assuming quick disappearance of ants means the colony is gone, when often only a forager group was removed. Continue monitoring for at least 2 weeks and replenish bait until activity stops to ensure the nest is impacted. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a community discussion area for sharing experiences and practical tips about non-toxic pest control. We help contractors find work by giving them a platform to reach interested homeowners and participate in conversations about safe household solutions.